A square in the heart of Kolkata, the city of joy, had been named Binoy Badal Dinesh Bagh to honor the sacrifice of three young martyrs, Binoy Badal and Dinesh Chandragupta. The young boys offered their lives for the freedom of India. Unfortunately, the three revolutionaries have been forgotten today, and Bagh in their name is known as BBD Bagh. Today, we are telling you a small piece of the story on the occasion of 75 years of independence to pay an honorable tribute to their sacrifice in their memory. Hopefully, generations to come would realize and recall the price paid to acquire freedom from the tyrannical British rule. Bengal bore the brunt of British notoriety. The exploitation and loot of resources began in 1757 and continued till 1947. The Writers' Building in Kolkata, a red color building made by the Britishers, became the center of account keeper of the British plunders. It was December 8, 1930. The Writers' Building of Kolkata was buzzing with activity as usual. It was also housed in the office of Inspector General of Prisons, N.S. Simpson, who was notorious for torturing and killing scores of innocent Indians and freedom fighters. Seldom were the days when his cruelty had not taken the life of an Indian freedom fighter. Indian freedom fighters, especially with their non-violent means, invariably underwent terrifying encounters with the British police at his command. The young revolutionary Binoy Badal and Dinesh decided to avenge the killing and torture of their fellow revolutionaries and decided to hurt where it bled the most. Binoy Badal and Dinesh were a part of Bengal Volunteers, an underground group created by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose against the British Raj. The brave plan was to enter the Secretariat office and into the British Police Chamber of Inspector General and kill N.S. Simpson. The three boys were influenced by revolutionary activities and had decided to take the matters into their own hands. The freedom fighters Binoy Badal and Dinesh finally ripped through the British maze and entered the chamber of N.S. Simpson and fatally shot him. The terror struck the British establishment and British police encircled the three revolutionaries. It was a suicidal mission. Badal took a cyanide pill while Binoy and Dinesh shot themselves with their own revolvers. The three revolutionaries offered their supreme sacrifice to avenge the killing of their countrymen. Binoy was 22 and both Badal and Dinesh were teenagers when they offered their lives for Mother India. The three boys taught the British government to be watchful while dealing with the non-violent demonstrators. It was these three revolutionaries who burst the myth of the British Empire in India.